Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO ThinkPad T495, and in this video I will show you how to enable on-screen keyboard on this laptop. To enable an on-screen keyboard, you have to use the three combination of keys, of course, if you have access to your physical keyboard or if you have an external keyboard connected. So use the three keys combination: Windows, Control and O. This way you will enable on-screen keyboard from anywhere on your screen. You can adjust it by moving the sides and the corners of it. You can move it along the screen, and this keyboard has a basic keyboard and also a numpad on the side. Now, if you want to open it from settings, you have to open the start menu first, go to settings, then open accessibility and search for keyboard. Open it. Now to enable on-screen keyboard, switch this toggle to the right and you will open the very same keyboard that we just opened before. Now, if you want to have access to your on-screen keyboard constantly and do not have to open settings in order to access your on-screen keyboard, you can use a different version of it, and to enable it you have to open personalization, then open taskbar, then change this option to always, and as you see, here's an icon that appears on the status bar, and if we click on it, we will call an on-screen keyboard that looks quite differently. We cannot move it along the screen, but you can use it just like the previous one, and it doesn't have a numpad. Still, it's pretty convenient to use. To close it, just hit the X button in the top right corner, and basically you can call it from anywhere like. That's it for this video, so thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.